Hi, in this video I will show how to convert Sqlite data from Sqlite database to a YAML format. You can see on my computer I have a Sqlite file. I can open it into Sqlite viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of Sqlite database and can export into different format. And you can see I have just one table, states, with state name, state code, region and subregion columns. And I will be converting this data to YAML format with application I will install from the website. I will leave link on this Sqlite viewer. It's a free app. It's just capable to show quickly what is inside of Sqlite database. So I will download a converter from Sqlite to YAML from this website. I will leave the link on site into description. To find app, I'll click on search and type Sqlite to YAML. And I need this create YAML page. And I will click on Sqlite to YAML link and click on download. I will be recording more videos on Sqlite and YAML converters and into different application and different converters for different formats from Sqlite and to Sqlite and also as well as YAML. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. Yep, we're waiting for app to be downloaded from Google Cloud. I will click on downloaded archive. Double click on the Messiah inside archive to start installation and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so just click run and wait to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, we will have to select Sqlite file we would like to convert to YAML. I will click on this button, navigate to my states Sqlite, right? It's called states. Yep, this one. Click open. I can add more Sqlite if I want to convert into one YAML file. It will be placed into different substructure into YAML, but for testing purposes, let's just this one. I click on next step. Here I can select one table I'd like to convert, or I can specify convert all tables. In this case, all tables will be converted to one YAML file, and YAML capable of storing multiple tables in it, and it's similar to like XML format, but it has differences and it has less. It doesn't have tags, but instead it's using preposition, text preposition to format data. So let's select just one table, click on next, and here I can preview my data. You can see all states has been converted from Alabama to Wyoming, and it's also converting schema showing what is inside Sqlite. And yeah, basically that's it. We have our 4 columns per record for every state converted. You will have a different, if you have different Sqlite, obviously you will have different YAML, different columns, different data in it. So, and I'll just click save result to save it into file, and click on save, and you can see file has been saved. Let's go and open file. I also have a YAML viewer. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside YAML file, and you can see it has states name and also different data. But what this viewer is trying to do, it's trying to represent everything as one table. And it also can export into different format. But the thing is that we converted our data from table Sqlite into YAML, and I can open it in Notepad. And you can see it has like 50 records, 4 columns, and all data in it. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. If you'd like to see more application like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.